Hey, my beautiful vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must over here. Welcome back to another video. Today it's gonna be some no peas, rice, and peas. And check out my little ingredients. So of course it's rice and peas. So I had my red peas soaking from overnight and I added garlic and pimento seed. So cover this and let it cook. So this is one of those time when it doesn't matter if your peas overcook and it is too soft and all of that. It really doesn't matter because guess what? We are gonna be blending this out, right? So yeah, look at it, look at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the stove, turn off the fire, yep. And then we're gonna go ahead and take out the pimento seed. No, you don't have to take them out. You can leave them in there because of course you're going to be blending the peas, but I wanted to take out mine. So after we do that, then we're going to, well, I'm going to be pouring my peas into another container so that I can let the peas cool down very fast. Because guess what, vibes fam, this pot right here, it holds the heat for such a long time. So I want the peas to cool down fast, so I put it in this container. So here I'm now transferring the peas to my blender, to my little NutriBullet. Pour the water in there, and of course the rest of the peas. So we're using the peas water to blend it, right? Don't use no other water. So here I'm just searching for more peas. There's none in there. So let's cover and do what? And let's blend. Let's blend. Let's blend, 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 blend. So yeah, vibes Sam, now that we are blending it, then we are gonna go ahead and pour it into our little pot. But let's look at this first. Look at it, nice and thick and looks so good. Yes, 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 vibes Sam. So let's pour it back into our pot that we cooked the peas in, right? So no other pot, the same pot, right? So it add some of the water, leave back and everything. So just pour it in there, and we're going to be adding some water to this container to rinse it out. So yeah, vibes Sam, because we don't want to lose none of our ingredients, none of our niceness. We mix, 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 and it's hot water pouring there, by the way. Yes, and then I'm gonna pour it back into the pot, just like that, right? And then now I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Well, first, remember the container that I had the peas cooling down in. So I had some juice leave back in there, some peas water. So I pour it back in the pot. Then I'm pouring my coconut juice into the pot, or coconut water. Which one? No, coconut juice. And of course I'm adding some hot water in this too, because that extra coconut juice right there, the creamy stuff, we need it, right? We don't waste anything around here. So shake, 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 and add it in there. And of course add a little more water because we do not want this peas thing to be too thick. So of course the pimento seed that I took from the pot, I added it back, added some extra, and I added some ginger, and I cut up some scallion, and I added thyme. So yeah, go ahead and mix that up, mix that up. Remember, vibes Sam, do not let this peas water mixture be too thick. Add water to dilute it so that it can be a little less thick, right? And I added some salt. Don't taste yet, let it come to a boil. Cover it and bring it to a boil, and then you can taste it, because you need to make sure that it's not fresh, but not yet. So yeah, it is tasting time. Give it a mix, 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 and taste it. Now, one thing, when you blend the peas, it kind of come out strong, right? The taste. So I added just a half tablespoon of sugar. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do it. So yeah, if you don't want to, then don't. And go ahead and add your washed rice. We wash rice around here, but if you don't, that is your business. But yeah, go ahead and add your rice and give it a stir, stir, stir. And then we're gonna cover it and let it dry down. So here we have it, vibes fam, right? It is nice and dried down. Remember, because the peas is blended, right? So the liquid, the peas water is thick naturally. So that is why the top of it is looking so thick and stuff. Don't worry about that. Go ahead and stir it up. That is why I was saying do not let the peas water be too thick, or else it's not gonna dry down properly, and you don't want that. So yeah, go ahead and stir it up, stir it up, stir up and stir and a stir and a stir and a stir, and then just smooth that out and then cover it and allow the rice to finish cooking, because it's not really done right here, right? So yeah, just like that, we are all done, vibes fam. And this is, oh, I didn't say it, I use basmati rice. So you know, you use your basmati rice, or what's the other one called? Oh my goodness, I can't remember, but they are kind of like the same, basmati and I can't remember. But yeah, vibes, I'm stirring it up and I'm showing it to you. It is cooked, vibes, Sam. It's nice and shelly. I love my rice shelly. I love it shelly, or just about like kind of soft but not too soft. No peke rice around here, right? But yeah, I love me some shelly rice, and that's why I love basmati rice. But here we have it, vibes fam. Check out this plate of no peas, rice and peas. And this is for the people who always pick out the peas out them rice and peas, right? You love rice and peas, but you can't stand the peas. And guess what? I have one of those people in my house. My son absolutely hate peas, right? So we always have to pick it out when we make rice and peas. And that is how I came up with doing it this way, because I've cooked it a few times. And the other day I said to my husband, no, I'm gonna make this for the Vibes fam on my channel, right? So yeah, Vibes fam, here we have it. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me, would you try this? And run over Instagram and Facebook and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.